Hi everyone, this is Atanas with LegalTrek. As you can see, I'm in the list of company invoices, showing you our new creator field. Please make sure to enable the creator field, which won't be enabled by default for you. And let's see how this is different by the created by field, which by the way, we'll rename that one to issued by. So when somebody creates an invoice, they physically create it from their account. However, they can change the issuer of the invoice to be any one of their colleagues. And I'm going to demonstrate this in a minute. The issuer goes into the created by or issued by column, and the physical creator, the account that created the invoice, goes into the new column, creator. Let's see how these two can be different. I'm going to quickly create an invoice, going through, really breezing through the steps as you all know them very well. And here is the important part. The issuer of the invoice can be any one of the attorneys in the company. In this case, I'm going to put Eva Bellemonte. However, the creator of the invoice, the account that is actually generating this, is Victoria's Shopova's account. And this is what the fields are going to show you. Created by Eva Bellemonte, but creator Victoria Shopova. This again will rename to issued by. So this is the new creator field. Please use it and enjoy.